So this is how you check for vacuum leaks at the M112 engine. Just put a glove over the intake, make sure all the other hoses are airtight and closed and so on, and just briefly start the ignition. It's enough. And as you can see, the glove is pulled down by the vacuum, so it's clearly vacuum. Just wait for, I don't know, until you run out of patience, until your patience run out, and then pull the dipstick cover and you will hear the air rushing in. And this guarantees that you have an airtight, otherwise the vacuum would go down easily a lot faster.